Are you looking for high-quality web hosting at an insanely low price? Whether you're starting your first website or planning to move to a new hosting provider, I've got an amazing deal for you. In today's video, I'm going to share how you can save a whopping 92% off with Hostinger. That's right, Hostinger is offering one of the best discounts in the industry right now, making it an ideal time to grab this offer and launch your dream website. Stay tuned till the end because I'll show you how to unlock this massive discount step by step. Hostinger is known for its high-speed servers, top-notch security, and easy-to-use control panel. Here's why it's the perfect hosting choice for both beginners and experts alike. Super affordable plans. With Hostinger's 92% off deal, you can get premium hosting for less than the cost of a cup of coffee each month. This means you get superior performance without breaking the bank. Perfect for starting a new blog, online store, or any type of site. Link in description, user-friendly interface. Hostinger offers a clean and easy-to-navigate control panel, so even if you're a beginner, you won't struggle to set up your website. Plus, they have a one-click WordPress installation, which means you can have your site live within minutes. Free domain and SSL. With most plans, you get a free domain and SSL certificate, making your website look professional and secure to your visitors. An SSL is essential for building trust and ranking higher on Google. Reliable uptime and speed. Hostinger is equipped with light-speed technology, making your website super fast. Faster sites mean better user experience and higher chances of ranking on search engines. Got an issue? No problem. Hostinger's expert team is available 24/7 via live chat to help you out. So, what makes this deal even better is that you don't have to compromise on quality. With Hostinger, you get premium performance, high security, and scalable plans, all at an unbelievable price. But remember, this 92% off discount is for a limited time only. So don't wait. Click the link in the description to secure your deal today and start building your website in minutes. Whether you're a blogger, a small business owner, or just someone looking to showcase your portfolio, Hostinger has a plan that suits your needs. Grab the deal now and turn your website dream into reality with Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more exciting deals.